Now that you're looking to renovate, you're excited to get a beautiful kitchen. There seems to be so many choices. Here at SwitchDoor, we try to break things down into manageable steps. In our industry, you will hear three main ways to describe a kitchen design: traditional, contemporary, and transitional. Let's briefly take a look at these. A traditional kitchen uses shaker-style doors. These doors are made with a center panel surrounded by a raised frame. Here at SwitchDoor, we have 4 different widths of frame. Our skinny shaker has a 1-inch frame, while some of our other doors can be made with 2 1/4, 2 3/4, and 3-inch frames. All of these doors can be found under our traditional tab. As to available finishes, we offer real wood, painted, and our European and North American TFL lines in wood grain, solid colors in gloss and super matte. Contemporary kitchens look like this. The doors we offer under this tab are a flat slab door. The finishes available are the same as found in our traditional doors: real wood, painted, and TFL in wood grain, solid colors, gloss, and super matte. Transitional kitchens are a hybrid of traditional and contemporary styles. To create this look, you will need to order from both traditional and contemporary product offerings.